Here's how to replace the driver's side battery tray on 1999 to 2006 GM full-size trucks and SUVs. Remember, when working with a vehicle's battery, take care not to touch the terminals with any metal tools or objects. First, unbolt the black negative battery cable, then the red positive battery cable as well. If a brace is crossing over your battery, remove the front bolt and then loosen the side bolt so you can swing it out of the way. Next, remove the battery hold down by unbolting it. Pull it all the way out and make sure not to lose the bolt and washer. Remove the battery completely, and then remove the 7 10mm bolts from the existing tray. Pull the tray out carefully and be aware of any rust or corrosion. Get your new battery tray out and drop it in, lining up with the same bolt holes. Reattach all 7 bolts and install them all loosely until you know that they all line up, and then tighten them all. Put the battery back in. Then replace the battery hold down. And again, be careful not to hit the battery terminals with any metal tools or objects. If you add a brace over the battery, return it to its original position and tighten the 2 bolts. Reattach the red positive cable to the battery first, and then do the black negative cable after. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.